Many foreigners say 吃 like 吃, 去 like 处. That's not correct. Today we are going to practice 吃 and 吃. Don't just watch. Please repeat after me. Correct pronunciation. 吃 soft sound. Light air, tongue forward. 吃 strong sound, more air, tongue curled. Practice. Look at my mouth. 吃 Follow me. 吃很好 Look at my mouth. 去 Your turn. 去非常好 This one. Look at my mouth. 吃 Again. 吃非常好 quick tip. 吃 soft. 吃 strong. Practice. Look at my mouth. 吃吃吃 Can you see that? Next. 吃吃吃 Please repeat. 好 Next one. 去去去 Your turn. 'Can you see it faster? Let's practice faster. 吃吃吃 Your turn. 好 Next. 吃吃吃 Okay, next. 去去去非常好 Now let's mix it. Mix. Look at my mouth. 吃吃去 Can you do that? Mix. 吃吃去 Do it slowly. 吃吃去 Faster. 吃吃去 吃吃去 Let's do it faster. 吃吃去吃吃去吃吃去吃吃去吃吃去鸡吃去鸡吃去鸡吃去 鸡吃去。好，continue practicing like this.